it's Sabria. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button down below. Today I'll be giving you guys a tutorial on how to do a middle part quick weave with Beachwaves. So we're going to start off with pouring out her leave out, and the trick I always tell y'all is to use the comb to know how much leave out you need. If you can see through your leave out, you may need a little bit more, but for those with thinner hair, if you can see it a little bit, you should be okay. Don't pour out too much. So I poured out her leave out and braided that down. Now I'm going to start doing the molding process. For me personally, I like to do more of a mold instead of like a full braid down because I feel like it's quicker and you don't need all those braids to have your install flat. I more so only do this method on middle parts though. I go more into depth on my molding process in my last video, so make sure you check that out. Exactly like this, and then we're going to put the cap on. I use Got To Be glue spray and the Robert's Diamonds protective shield to protect my client's hair from the glue. After thoroughly covering your client's cap with the protective shield, and I mean thoroughly, but don't use too much to where it won't dry. Just make sure it's entirely covered. You're going to set your client under the dryer for about 10 minutes. Today we'll be using the Empire brand pack hair. We use the 18-inch, 16-inch, and the 14-inch. Also, while my client's under the dryer, I like to take all the hair out of the packs. Now that her cap is all dry, we're just going to outline the perimeter of the cap with my hair glue. Now that that's done, we're going to start placing the tracks. And make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below and turn on your post notifications, because I did do a poll and asked you guys which process of the quick weave did you want to see the most, track placement or styling or every product I use. 75% said track placement, so I put a lot of footage of me placing the tracks. So for your first track, you always want to lay that track towards the client's face and ending at the leave out. I did add a clip of how that looks from the front because I don't know, that may be a little confusing. So yeah, just continue to watch me lay these tracks for this middle part, and I did lay about 4 tracks just like this first one. I did start doubling my tracks for the 16-inch, and right here I'm just showing you guys how I do that. And I do that just so the install can be as full as possible. You also get more hair in quicker. made it clear for you guys, this is how I should look from the front when I say bring those tracks around the perimeter, stopping at the leave out. Now that we're done getting all the hair in, we're just going to use the pressing comb to get the top extra flat. Then we're going to cut the cap and straighten out that leave out. All the products I use will be listed in the description box down below, but I'm using my 1-inch Hot Shot Tools iron to get that leave out together. And we are doing beach waves today, so I didn't really layer their hair too much. I just really got those like straggly ends and blunt cut it around the back. After you've added in all your styling products, it's time to start curling. Oh, and always remember, no matter what type of curls you're doing, always curl away from your client's face. know by now, this is my favorite part, the comb out. Turned out so cute, and I think it's very grown and summery. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, as well as any questions you guys have. Like and comment on this video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you guys want to see next. Bye.